Hello mates and lasses, this is 155mm bringing you another video. Hey guys, wanted to do a quick video here. Just a basic thing, man. I'm trying to get back to the bare bones of some of this stuff, man. Just some stuff to throw out here, man. This is basically a video for anybody who wants to teach their kids how to shoot with iron sights. Of course, my AR15 is not equipped with the standard sights, and I like those sights, man. If you guys ever seen the guys, some of the guys here on YouTube got those the carrying handle with the rear windage sight, and you'll see the front sight with the little kind of I forget what they, I don't remember the exact nomenclature for it, but it sticks up. Basically, this video will touch on a good way to basically teach your kids how to get behind those sights and get a good sight picture. This is one of the ways that our drill sergeants actually taught us in the Army before we even started shooting them. Because, for instance, I never even touched an M16 before I went in the Army. I mean, I couldn't afford one. I came from a poor family and stuff like that. So when I got in the Army, this was the way the drill sergeants, in order to save ammo, which is smart, they actually had us do this. And basically, what you want to do to start this, if you want to, if you got a son that you want to teach him how to get a good sight picture behind these sights. A good way to do this is you can go to Walmart, you can get these rest bags, right? Where it'd be easy for your son to, you can do this inside your house now. I mean, you want to make sure you clear the rifle, no magazine in it. I just put this in there for display. This rifle's been cleared and everything. No rounds in the chamber. Make sure, please make sure, especially since your son will be behind the rifle or whatever, make sure you clear the rifle and make sure there's no bullets or no ammo anywhere around. Because this is going to involve you basically getting in front of the barrel of the rifle as well. So you want to definitely make sure there's no live ammo anywhere. But go and get some rest bags. You can get those at Walmart real cheap. I don't know, 25, 30. I don't know, 30 bucks, something like that. Come back, set them down in your house. Get yourself some of those targets. They make these 300-meter targets that we were using inside basic training. I believe we used to put them back 25 meters. But you can do this inside your house, guys. If you got a pretty long little aisleway or something like that, you can actually do this inside your house, and you don't have to have a 300. You don't have to go out 25 yards or whatever. You can just make the target smaller that you want to pinpoint in with your front sight post. And, basically explain to your son that when he gets back behind the rifle, that he wants to focus on the tip of the front sight post, and he wants to draw an imaginary horizontal line. Okay, focus on the tip of the front sight post in between the bigger rear round flip sight. Because I think, let me see if I can remember right. I think we use those flip sights, the front sight, I think 275 yards on in, 275 to 300 on in, and then if it was anything farther than 300, we popped up the sight and used the smaller hoe. But this one basically you use the bigger round hoe, and explain to your son that, to keep focus on the front sight post on the very tip. He wants to draw an imaginary line across the top of it and center it in between the rear circle, and then draw another imaginary line when he's looking through it, and split the front sight post in half, just like that. And what you want to do is you want to get in front of the go against the wall, okay, the target that he's aiming at. And you want to tell him, hey, put the tip of the front sight post on the target that you're aiming at. Okay, maybe make it a small target, and tell him to basically split that target in half with the tip of the front sight post. center it in the middle of it, and then horizontally split it in half. And then you want to get a pen or a marker, right? And you'll ask your son to keep that sight picture, and that's what the rest for, so he can easily keep his sight picture. You'll ask him, okay, tell me when I'm getting closer to where your tell me when I'm getting closer to the target, to where you have your front sight post splitting the target in half. And he'll tell you right a little bit, down a little bit, down a little bit, up, down or whatever. And then when he says right there, whatever, you make a mark, okay? You make a mark. And then your son could, come up there to the target or whatever. You pull the target and show your son where he was aiming at. Now, of course, this ain't going to work with a 0 in the rifle, okay? Because you're not shooting a bullet out of it. So, of course, the barrel and the sight picture is going to be different. We always got a battle sight 0. But this will definitely work, if you want to save ammo with your son, and you got a weekend that you want to do something that's kind of fun, and it's real easy. And it's basically, man, this is the way I mastered iron sights. I mean, no kidding. I mean, once you get this down, because I don't know. I mean, I might get me another one sometime. Give me another, some more iron sights or whatever. I wouldn't mind having the old style, but I like scopes so much better because you can precise. They're just so precise to put the bullets. But anyway, guys, just thought that would be a fun little thing to try with your kids if you ever get a chance. And we actually did it in the military. I don't know how many other guys actually did it in the Army, but yeah, I did it. That was the way of saving ammo. So, all right, guys. Respectable citizens carry firearms. Criminals carry weapons. Peace out.